We're going to have a presentation by Inspiration Mars, including Dennis Tito, the Executive Director of Inspiration Mars, and Tabor McCullum, the Chief Technology Officer of Inspiration Mars. So Dennis will give a summary and Tabor will lay out the details. And after that, we're going to have the awards to the spectacular Inspiration Mars contest that we saw this afternoon. But before that, we've got a warm-up talk here, okay, from Dr. Everett Gibson. And this is the inside story of the Allen Hills meteorite.
Okay, Bob, you've left the computer in a state that I cannot open the file. Somebody mute it.
Yes, sir.
The cursor will not move.
Oh, really?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How many here have not heard about Allen Hills 84001? Okay. This is going to be fun. Okay, how do I get it to advance? Page down. I'm a Mac user, but this one is set up in a strange mode. Go for it.
He doesn't like mouse.
Okay, here we are. I think we have things set up.
Dobra, już w końcu jestem w Kazimierzu, jesteśmy na
Arrived on the Earth about 13,000 years ago.
bankiecie z
It's the
okazji
most
zjazdu
amazing rock.
Open Society.
And probably nowhere in the history of science has one single rock had so much done to it. And you say, why? Well, this rock happens to be from Mars. It also happens to contain a record of the atmosphere and the oceans on Mars. Fantastic. And we can begin to put the history of this rock together. The whole world scientific community looked at it. Well, there's hard science that has come from it. We know its age, 4.1 billion years ago, period when Mars had water, atmospheres, and oceans. It went through changes, and it left these signatures of these early atmospheres and oceans inside the rock. We as scientists took it apart. We found some unusual things, and you'll hear about that today. It arrived in Antarctica, and in 1984, a geologist named Robbie Score was out on the Ansmet field collecting team and found a greenish rock, and she picked it up. She knew this was something unusual, and so it came back to Houston. We looked at it, and this rock